Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Temperature and Humidity Controller for Incubator. So in this project, we are using an Arduino Uno R3, 5 volts power supply module, servo motor, SG90 servo motor, A1, A2, A3, switch button, OK, increment, decrement, DHT11 temperature sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, 16 cross 2 LCD display. So to see the temperature, humidity on the LCD display, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, relay, 5 volts relay, and AC bulb, fan, vaporizer. Sixth pin, it is connected to the fan, relay third pin, DHT11 temperature humidity is connected with the fourth pin, and fifth pin, 5 volts, power supply 5 volts, servo motor A4. And we are providing code in the description. You can check in the description box. 5 volts power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitors, 7805 regulator and LED. So 230 input, step down transformer, 5 volts output, Arduino Uno R3 board. So A1, A2, A3 it is connected to the OK increment decrement button. A4 it is connected to the servo motor for egg rotation. 16 cross 2 LCD display, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, 230 volts AC bulb, 15 watt, DC fan, exhaust fan or vaporizer, 5 volts relay coil. So relay coil, fan, switch button, temperature humidity controller, DHT11 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and servo motor, 16 cross 2 LCD display. So now we start with the power supply, temperature humidity controller for incubator. So set point, temperature set point is 30. If temperature below 30, the bulb should be off. Then if I am giving OK button, if humidity is 60, if humidity above humidity it should be on, below humidity the fan should be off. Above humidity the fan is on, temperature is 30, that's why the bulb is off. Now I am giving the highs, I am decreasing the temperature and humidity. I am decreasing the humidity. So you can observe the humidity is 65, 60 and below the servo motor is rotating, egg hatching. Okay, 55, the bulb should be on. Okay, so temperature, okay, temperature, if temperature 30 and below, bulb should be on, humidity 60 and below, fan should be off. Now I am increasing the temperature using iron rod, soldering rod. Temperature is 30, bulb is off. Servo motor is rotating. Temperature below 50, so 60, below 60, sorry, then fan is off. So now I am increasing the temperature. The temperature is 33, but it is combination. If temperature crosses, if humidity crosses 60 and above, the fan should be on. Servo motor is rotating every 100 counts. This is ice pack. I am decreasing the temperature. Temperature below to 30 below, bulb is on. So we can increase the temperature also. So I'll show the settings. Okay, now temperature I set for 35. Okay, humidity is 70. Okay, I set for 65. Okay, then okay, temperature is 28, so humidity is 85. Okay, then bulb and fan at a time should be on. So thanking you. You can check the description. Code is available in the description box. So LCD display, a servo motor, temperature humidity sensor. It is connected with the 4 A1, A2, A3 and down. Increment, up button, down button, increment, decrement, bulb, vaporizer, fan, LCD connections. Okay, so temperature humidity controller, set points. So after giving the set point, it will check for the temperature and humidity continuously. So thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded. Every 100 counts, the servo motor should be rotated up direction and down direction, forward and backward, like that.